Run the code online or download from codegib.com, link in the description below. Tutorial, Running Python Commands in Command Prompt, CMD. Command prompt, often abbreviated as CMD, is a command line interpreter available in Windows operating systems. It allows users to interact with the system using text-based commands. In this tutorial, you will learn how to run Python commands directly within command prompt. Open command prompt. Navigate to the directory. Run Python commands. Suppose you have a Python script named hello.py with the following content. To run this script in command prompt. Running Python commands in command prompt allows for efficient execution of scripts and quick testing of Python code snippets. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can seamlessly integrate Python into your command line workflow on Windows. ChatGPT.